Underwater photography is truly an amazing way to capture and share awe-inspiring wonders of the marine life. Kaya naman maraming mga newbie divers at travelers ang nagkaka-interes na subukan ito. And a compact camera is a good choice in starting out underwater photography. But what is a compact camera really capable of?
Hi guys, we have here with us Mr. Jerome Kim, a renowned underwater photographer who's actually professional in underwater photography. So he'll be teaching me on how to use a compact camera for underwater photography.
Actually, I'm DSLR user, but I can give you some tips about compact camera.
Oh wow!
Okay? The difference between compact and DSLR is first is the size and then the weight.
Is this good for beginners?
Sure.
So before you jump into a DSLR, you need first to try out a compact camera.
Right. The DSLR is expensive. You can start with the compact camera and get used to with how to shoot underwater. So you can start with compact camera. It's more recommendable to the beginners. Yes.
Ang compact camera ay may iba't ibang features tulad ng aperture mode at ang microscopic mode.
The difference between A mode and the microscopic mode is the working distance. Especially this camera is designed for the macro things. You can easily shoot macro without the delay of the shutter and delay of the focusing.
Next thing we need to know is to customize the white balance.
When you want to customize white balance, you need kind of white slate, white plate or something, white or gray.
Importante ang white balance sa photography. Ito ay para ma-capture mo ang proper color ambient ng subject mo, lalo na sa underwater dahil nawawala ang kulay sa ilalim ng tubig. Unang nawawala sa ilalim ng tubig ang color red light at the depth of 5 to 15 feet. Then, the orange light disappears at 25 feet, habang ang yellow light naman ay nawawala at 35 to 45 feet. The colors disappear underwater in the same order as they appear in a color spectrum. Kaya naman kailangan gumamit ng mga photographers ng ilaw o strobes to add color back to their marine subjects. Bukod sa macro photography, pwede mo ring subukan ng wide-angle photography gamit ang compact camera with this dome lens, also known as the wet lens.
We call this kind of lens wet lens. Okay,
Wet
wet lens
lens.
means we can use underwater.
It's cool.
Yes. Then, why we need this kind of dome port is widen your view
Your view.
from your camera.
Obviously, ang compact camera ay mas madaling gamitin kaysa sa mga DSLR. And aside of being so user-friendly, compact camera is also a financial wise to have an amazing underwater photography experience.
I think I'm okay. I'm really excited to shoot.
Oh,
so
yeah.
we can now
I'm so,
try it
yeah,
underwater.
I'm so looking forward to
Yeah.
it.